Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to take screenshot in Windows in 3 different ways. So first of all, let's see how to use the conventional method using the snipping tool. This is a tool which is available from Windows 7 and later. So you can search for snipping tool and take screenshots, either part of the screen, or you can even take full screenshot of the screen. And even you can edit using this snipping tool, as you can see in the screen. You can take a full screenshot and do whatever you want, like editing, removing any parts of the screenshot. And the second method is to use the Windows keys plus print screen, which you will give the screenshot and it will automatically save to the pictures folder. So if you go to the pictures and the screenshots, you will find out the screenshots. It will be a full screenshot of this that window. For this method you need to press the Windows key and print screen option together. And there is another software which you can use, which is called Lightshot. Using this tool also you can make custom screenshots. This is a very user-friendly screenshot option, and you can edit as well. You can save after you edit this particular screenshot. So hopefully I think this video was clear for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.